Very good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 diversity of living world, in that life processes in bacteria. What are the important life processes in bacteria? Respiration, nutrition, reproduction. So these are all the important life processes in bacteria. Today we are going to discuss one important life process in bacteria. Respiration. So two types of respiration are found in bacteria. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What do you mean by aerobic respiration? Respiration that take place in the presence of oxygen is called as aerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration that take place in the absence of oxygen, it is called as anaerobic respiration. So some of the bacteria require carbon dioxide also for their growth. So this type of bacteria are called CAPNOPHILIC bacteria. So let me see the different types of respiration in detail. So first, aerobic respiration. So the respiration take place in the presence of oxygen is called as aerobic respiration. These bacteria require oxygen as terminal acceptor and will not grow under anaerobic condition. What is anaerobic condition? In the absence of oxygen. That is called as anaerobic condition. So these bacteria require oxygen as terminal acceptor. So the bacteria involved in aerobic respiration are called aerobes. Very good example for aerobic respiration is Streptococcus. Some Micrococcus species are obligate aerobes. What do you mean by obligate aerobes? So we know what is aerobe. The bacteria respire in the presence of oxygen. The bacteria involved in aerobic respiration, this is said to be aerobe. So some Micrococcus species are called obligate aerobe. That means they must have oxygen to survive. So in the absence of oxygen, these microbes cannot survive. So it is only said to be obligate aerobe. Very good example, Micrococcus. So next type of respiration in bacteria is anaerobic respiration. These bacteria do not use oxygen for growth and metabolism, but obtain their energy from fermentation reaction. So during fermentation reaction, the food material oxidize and release very less amount of energy. So example for anaerobic respiration is Clostridium. So Clostridium is a bacteria, do not use oxygen for growth and obtain energy from fermentation reaction. So next, facultative anaerobes. What is anaerobe? The organism respire in the absence of oxygen are called anaerobes. So what is facultative anaerobes? There are bacteria that can grow either using oxygen as a terminal electron acceptor, that is aerobic, or obtain energy from fermentation reaction anaerobically. So the bacteria that can grow either using oxygen as a terminal electron acceptor or anaerobically using fermentation reaction to obtain energy. So these are called facultative anaerobes. When a facultative anaerobe such as Escherichia coli is present at the site of infection, like an abdominal abscess, It can rapidly consume all the available oxygen in the infectious site and change into anaerobic metabolism. So the aerobic bacteria Escherichia coli present at the site of infection like abdominal abscess, it can rapidly consume all the available oxygen and change to anaerobic metabolism, producing an anaerobic environment and thus allow the anaerobic bacteria that are present to grow and cause disease. So whenever all the available oxygen consumed by Escherichia coli, then it creates an anaerobic environment. So it allows the anaerobic bacteria that are present to grow and cause disease. So example, Escherichia coli and Salmonella. It is only known as facultative anaerobes. Next type of bacteria is called capnophilic bacteria. So capnophilic bacteria, here the bacteria which require carbon dioxide for their growth. This is only known as capnophilic bacteria. Very good example for capnophilic bacteria is Campylobacter. Campylobacter, this is the example for capnophilic bacteria. So far we discussed different types of respiration: aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. In this we discussed obligate aerobe and facultative anaerobe. Then capnophilic bacteria. Obligate aerobe must have oxygen to survive. Facultative anaerobe, the bacteria present at the infection site rapidly consume the available oxygen and change to anaerobic metabolism, producing an anaerobic environment. So this allows anaerobic bacteria to grow and cause disease. So this is called facultative anaerobe. And capnophilic bacteria, the bacteria require carbon dioxide for their growth. So this is said to be capnophilic bacteria. So these are all the different types of respiration in bacteria. That's all about today's class. Thank you.